Let's try the breakfast here at Ibis. Oh, anong ginagawa mo? Tama ba yung floor? First time. 10 a.m. Pwede pa hanggang 10:30. Yan, sa kaliwa, swimming pool. Sa harap, yung buffet. Okay, breads. Ito, papainit ng sarili kong bread. So this is the area for their breakfast buffet. Cold ham with cheese. Itong gusto ko, salad para diet. Boiled rice with chicken. Baka naman, masarap. Daming condiments. Cabbage soup with minced pork. Wow, looking good. Ito lang ang breakfast niya. Pero okay na to. Mura naman yung kwarto namin eh. Okay na yan. Ito gusto ko, yogurt in the morning. Sa bahay namin, walang yogurt eh. Amazing. Ito cucumber, lalagyan mo ng ganito. Ba, okay rin yan ha. Matry nga. Stir-fried chicken with mushroom. Aba, may mushroom pala to. Paano naman masarap? Ayan, sinusubukan ni Berna. Fried egg. Pag high-end, hindi ganito. Hindi ayos ang luto Chicken sausage. Matigas para sa akin to. Scrambled eggs. Gusto kong luto ng scrambled eggs. Medyo basa-basa. Yan, sarap ang luto niya. Boiled eggs. Actually, every morning, kahit eggs lang. Solve na solve. Ito sa akin, okay to. Spaghetti mushroom cream sauce. Cute naman itong cherry tomatoes, with butter. Tapos ni Mama Berna, simple lang, with rice, and egg. Ako naman, parang siopaw to. Okay na rin. Simple breakfast, not so, I would say good, hindi excellent. Okay, may fruits kami. And I'm sure this is yogurt with cappuccino on the side. Dapat maaga kami nagising. Pwede pala mag-breakfast dito sa umaga with the view of the Chayo Phraya River. Bukas maaga ako gigising. Dito ako mag-breakfast. Yan, yung mama, nandun yung kanyang yung breakfast niya kinakain ng birds. Naku, patay siya. Wala na siyang pagkain. Yun, sabay takbo niya. Wala na, ubus na yung breakfast niya. Sabi dito mag-breakfast. Actually, okay na rin itong Ibis, mura pa. Imagine for $50 per night you have free breakfast. Okay na to. Pero bukas, kami? Sheraton. But this is really nice. Look at this. Alright, thanks for watching. We'll enjoy the breakfast. Ayun, mga ibon. Daming kinain na pagkain. Yung bit-bit mong yan. Okay, langka sinama mo for breakfast.
It's